Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some new Colourpop makeup here. This is Colourpop's 100% vegan makeup collection. As you can see, I'm wearing it on my face right now. I also did swatches for each product for you guys and then a tutorial at the end. So yeah, let's get into it. We have 3 new eyeshadow palettes here. These palettes feature new finishes like Satin Pearl and Sheer Sparkle, plus its first ever tie-dye Super Shock shadow. This first one is Clear the Air. These are the Clear the Air swatches. The first 2 swatches up here, there's one right along my knuckle, and then the second one, those are the Sheer Sparkle shades. So they're just really good toppers. Next up, we have the Coast is Clear palette. These are the Coast is Clear palette swatches. This is the Clearly in Love palette. I forgot to show you it before I swatched it, that's why it looks a little muggy. These are the Clearly in Love palette swatches. We also have quite a few So Glassy lip shades here. So they all have a doe foot applicator. Some of these are going to be really hard to see on camera, but this is Epiphany, No Joke, Cut Loose, Infinite, Set Free, and Lucid Dreams. My hand is so shaky. Okay, so for the eyeshadow look, I'm gonna go in with Clear the Air. I showed you guys this palette already. I love a good golden eye. Golden eye? Isn't that like a 007 movie? I'm gonna go into that light brown shade at the bottom. Ooh. This has such great pigment. I'm also going into the outer corners of my eyes. You guys know my typical look. I have to say, I really respect Colourpop for diving into the vegan makeup realm because it's clear that it's not an easy thing to do or else all companies would be vegan. I do like that now they're able to not alienate a whole group of people. I'm grabbing that top golden shade just to clean up underneath the brow here. I'm grabbing a little bit of that darkest brown in the palette and just deepening this up. I'm gonna go underneath the eye with a combination of those 2 brown shades. Now for the eyeshadow, I can't tell if I wanna go like full like coppery eye or if I wanna do this guy and make it more of like, not like necessarily rose gold. You know what, I am gonna do that one. I'll do the rose goldy shade. Ooh, I love it. This has so much pigment in it as well. Now I'm dipping into the lightest shade in the palette. It's one of those sheer sparkle shades that just comes out as like gold sparkles, so you don't really see any of the white there. And you can obviously build it up. For lips, I think I'm gonna go in with Epiphany. I'm really excited to see how this looks on the lips because I'm a huge fan of just doing lip liner with a gloss, almost like a sheer gloss with just a little bit of color, which I don't know if it's gonna be working my favor today because I have this little cut right here. Not really a cut, but it's just stained. If you guys have been watching my videos, you'll know that I bite my lips as like a nervous habit, and then when I drink wine at night, I'll have like a glass of wine and it just gets all into that fresh skin and stains it. So that's what that is all about. I love this shade. This is definitely gonna be a new favorite of mine, I can already tell. It's just that perfect mixture of subtle color and sparkle, and also just really shiny. But I'm gonna finish out the eyes off camera. I'll put some lashes on and do some eyeliner, and we'll be back. I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the finished look with my lashes done. I love these lashes, by the way. I get these on Amazon. These are just, let me see if I can. They're called Fox Mink by, what is that brand? Buffalone? Yeah, Buffalone? I don't know. But I love them, they're super cheap, and they don't weigh down my eyes. If you guys are new to my channel, my eyes, I have, what is it called? Ptosis in this eye specifically. I have it in both of them, apparently, but this one's worse. In some videos, you'll see that this eyelid looks a lot bigger. It is bigger if you look at it now, but it's not as noticeable right now. It kind of goes in and out when I'm really tired, you can see it. If I'm sick, sometimes it'll activate it. But yeah, so when it comes to lashes, if they're like a really thick band, they normally weigh my eyes down really badly. These lashes don't have like the thinnest band, but like I said, they're pretty lightweight, so they don't affect me. But anyway, I loved this collection. This is probably a palette that I would wear every single day. Along with this lip, I did wind up topping it off with the shade No Joke, which is like the more pinky one in the out of the range. But yeah, I really love it. I love the way that my makeup turned out. I feel like I've been in such a rut lately with my makeup just looking different, and I haven't been able to pinpoint it. But I really like it today, it looks good. But like I said, I'm really proud of Colourpop for coming out with vegan eyeshadows and vegan glosses. I mean, that's huge, especially 100% vegan makeup products. I mean, I feel like that's really hard to do, like I said, because most companies don't do that. I know that it is really pricey also to not test on animals and to not use pigments from like beetles and things like that. But let me know if you guys are going to be picking up any of the vegan eyeshadow palettes and if you're going to be picking up any of the glosses. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, also, I had to tell you guys, if you guys have seen my other Colourpop video, it's like from 2 days ago. That was the new collection, the Avatar collection. This pencil, I'm telling you, is gonna be my everyday eye pencil. This is the Groundbreaker Cream Gel Liner. I'll show you guys up close. It's such a pretty metallic brown, and it's just in my waterline. Oh, I love it. It just really warms up the look. But yeah, anyway, bye guys, again.